my lovely peoples, thank you for watching today. I just want to pop in quickly to let you guys know that this is the end of my YouTube journey on this platform. You guys will not be seeing any more videos from me on this platform. I will not be commenting on any of your videos. I am completely done. And the last few months have been a little bit rough. I was really close to getting those 4,000 watch time hours. Let's be honest, the reason why we joined YouTube is because we want our channels to be monetized and we want to make money on YouTube. Let's just not hide behind that fact. I'm not quite sure what happened to the hours. YouTube completely removed all of the hours from my channel. And that was very disappointing. I tried to reach out to YouTube. No one's gotten back to me. And I thought, I am done with this. I am totally done. So I just want to say goodbye to you guys and thank you guys so much for the ones who've been supporting my channel, the one or two of you who've been consistently watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. And so I am focusing on other things that I want to do for myself in the coming year. I have things that I'm manifesting, I'm dreaming, I'm visualizing, and I want to be able to stay positive within myself and my soul and my spirit. And in order for me to continue to do that, I just want to be able to get rid of this stress of YouTube and just move on to other things. This book I've showed you guys has completely helped me, you know, just being authentic and living my unique self. And I've already showed you guys my 2023 planner and all of my manifestations, my visions, my goals, my dreams for 2023 are already written in this book. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on right now. And again, this is the end of my journey here on YouTube. And once again, thank you for the ones who were supporting my channel. And I just want to wish you guys great success in your YouTube journey. I hope your channel grows and I really hope you do make the money that you need to make on this platform. And I really do hope you guys do well. And I'm just wishing the best for all of you guys. So I want you to take care. And be well, be good to yourself. And always remember to treat people the way you want to be treated. Life's too short. Let's just try to be positive and happy people. And God bless all of you. Toodles.